Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and please make sure press the bell icon so you told any other amazing video like this one, and then don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, please watch this video to end and don't miss any other amazing video like this one. So guys, I am back a beautiful idea about Mother Day cake design in different style, different color combination, different sizes. I hope you enjoy my most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. All the designs are very unique and trendy. If you new my channel and don't miss any other amazing video like this one, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I am sure better decoration idea from this video. If you like any design and take a screenshot of it. And also do try my amazing cake designs, and they're so easy to make and absolutely delicious. If you like any design and if you new my channel, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And also please make sure press the bell icon if you don't miss any other amazing video like this one. I hope you like this decoration with themed and color combinations. Whether simple or beautiful design showcase love and celebrations. All the designs are very beautiful and unique. All the color combinations are very so nice. If you want to see more make party decoration ideas and cake designs, please visit my channel, and then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much everyone. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until take care yourself and people around you. Allah Hafiz.